personnel records cross-checked with that new list we received from Interpol.
What's up, nerds? I got a new lift. What do? What did we do today? I feel like we didn't do shit, to be honest.
What? We did hella shit.
I got those fucking things all set up. These little fittings, cause custom. We freed up the motor because it hasn't fucking moved in a long time.
Are you sure?
Nice. Yeah, move.
Move?
Yeah. Cool. Yeah, you freed up the engine. See, now you can hear the pistons going up and up. Okay. Going there. Now the pistons are moving.
See, let me see if I can see it. Dad, I can't see shit. I can feel it.
That's all I needed to know. Fucking, we just had to get the motor unstuck.
Yeah, that's good.
We torqued most of the primary. Torqued that shit, put the chain on, spun the wheel, rotated the motor. Motor was fucking stuck, but...
That was for sure the scariest part ever.
She's unstuck now with a little lube and a little force.
A little spit and shine.
You gotta lick it before you stick it, you know what I'm saying?
That's what they say. Motor-wise.
And yeah, we did that. I am about to start wiring it. You want it?
Yep.
Yeah. I'm gonna be someone's gonna be watching this like, man, there shouldn't be that much smoke off of it, coming off of it. You know? I don't wipe this thing down every time, okay? I just a little shake off and she's good to go.
Hit him with we don't make show bikes, we make go bikes.
We barely make bikes.
Say hi to our new subscribers, dude.
What's up to our new subscribers, dude? Tokyo, I love you. Kyoto, I love you. Fucking all the Japanese dudes following us. What's up? Can I get a bike to ride and a place to stay the next time I go to Japan? That'd be cool.
That'd be tight.
You can ride one of these pieces of shit if you guys come here.
Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. Here's what we got so far. We might be able to fire it up today. Maybe. Maybe not. Elijah's doing all the wiring.
Fun stuff. Haven't slept in fucking 4 days. Oh, I mean freaking 4 days.
I'm just doing the little odds and ends of random bolts and hardware store runs and stuff like that. But yeah, it's exciting stuff.
Fucking M-Unit hooked up.
Oh yeah, let me show them that. Getting there. Got one of the bags mounted up. I'm not going nowhere. Fancy connectors.
Fucking hate them. I mean, freaking hate them.
Yeah.
Turn the side beam off. Hold it. Nice. Turn the lights off. Fucking tight.
That's cool.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I still gotta figure out the gauge this song. I'm not feeling too good. No, I'm feeling good.
Nah, I think it'll be fine. And I'm not worried about that.
Alright. So we got the rear set up. So be on as soon as the key turns on. I wasn't doing that before. Had to set up the M-Unit. Daniel, hit the brakes. Let me see if it comes on. Sick. Nice. And we have an oil pressure light up there.
Yep.
Tap the neutral, the yellow wire. Ground the neutral. The light. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Ooh.
And then if you hold it long enough, it just turns right off.
Like that?
Oh wait, it doesn't turn off because I have the settings on.
Oh, I see. It is.
On a certain thing. But cool. Yeah, we're good. Nice.
Grounded.
Fucking Motogadget's pretty cool.
1010 would recommend? Or?
Yeah, it's cool. I just had to figure it out for the first time. It's not hella clean, but...
Would you buy it for your bike?
I'd probably buy it for my bike, and then I'd geek out over it all night and make it look better than this, but right now it works.
Yeah.
So.
Looks good to me. You get the bolt out. Back it up, dude.
Oh.
Back it up real quick, dude.
Look at that. That shit is tight.
That's actually kind of cool. What's
Yeah,
his
that's
name
pretty
again?
cool.
So we give him a shout out. What is it? BBC.
Hell yeah.
Big Bird Choppers, I think.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Google BBC. It'll
Yeah,
probably
Google
just come up.
yeah, it comes up every time, actually. Yeah. To anybody watching this, if you're ever thinking about building an FXR from the frame up, just don't.
Just buy a new Softail.
Just fucking do that. Yeah.
Buy a new Softail. Spend time with your family.
Mm-hmm.
Like, take a hobby. Get a hobby. Like,
If you're gonna get into this and you think you're gonna get chicks from it,
oh,
it's not happening.
you are sorely mistaken, dude. You will get old guys at the gas station being like, I used to ride.
Mm-hmm. And then show you pictures of their Yamaha Boulevard.
Yep.
I got one just like that, and then shows you the Sportster.
Yep. The only female attention I've ever received on a motorcycle was my neighbor telling me that my motorcycle is way too loud for me to quiet it down.
That fucking thing over there, that shit got done in like maybe like 2 weeks, because I took everything off of a crashed bike and put everything from there into there. So I didn't need to buy anything. Everything just fit right up and transferred over. This thing got pieced together, but it's gonna be sick when it's on the road one day.
One day.
It's gonna be really fast.
And hopefully reliable and dependent.
One day Daniel's gonna ride this thing. He's gonna be in traffic. He's really gonna need to poop. And luckily he has a S&S T111 to get him home fast. You know?
Yep. If you've been there, you know. If you know, you know.
Mark my fucking words, dude. I will never make a video for the sake of making a video where the dude's like, 10 things I wish I never did on my FXR.
We gotta do one of those.
Number 1, put 89 gas. Like, shut the fuck up, you fucking nerd, dude.
You gotta do one of those.
God.
If you want to do one of those,
No. Yeah, fucking include that,
comment.
dude. I swear to God. Fucking 3 things I hate about my FXR.
These are 10 things.
Oh, fuck.
Oh god.
1, I wish I didn't pay so much. Watch the fucking bike falls over. Oh, shit. The fucking bars aren't on. Oh, yeah. This shit is straight monster truck, dog. Oh. High beam. Right here.
It's like it's tall as fuck. Holy shit.
Sick.
Oh yeah.
Sick.
2026. Watch out. I'm gonna be on the road.
It looks fucking tiny with you on there. Just wait till you see this video later.
Thumbnail. 10 things I wish I didn't do to my Harley Davidson FXR.
If you are gonna tell me you could have built it better, please come here and build it better. Cause
I really appreciate it. Actually, that'd be cool.
that would be really fucking cool, actually. If you can do it better, come here, show me how to do it, but don't charge me anything. I just want to watch.
I've heard that before. I just want to watch.
Freaky, yeah. If you have fucking something to say it to me on the freeway, because you know what? I won't be able to hear you.
If you have something to say to me, say it behind my back. I can't take it if you say it.
If you have something to say to me, catch up to me on the freeway and open your helmet and try to yell it out.
Let's have a conversation going 90 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for the next video. 10 things I wish I knew about my Harley Davidson FXR.
Stay tuned for the next video. Things I should have never done.